Hello. Today, I'd like to tell you about cockatiels, one of the most popular pet birds. Cockatiels are medium-sized parrots native to Australia, known for their gentle, affectionate, and playful personalities. They're relatively easy to care for and are great for beginners. Cockatiels are active birds that require regular exercise, social interaction, and a balanced diet. Some interesting facts about cockatiels: they're known for their ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. Cockatiels come in various colors, including gray, white, and yellow. They can live up to 20 years in captivity. If you're considering getting a pet bird, cockatiels are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.
साउंड रिकॉर्ड कर वो शायद से करना गया वो तोड़ रहे हैं मुझ पे हमला कर रहे हैं हमसे तो